Document 1. U.S. leaders call for the NBA to stop doing business with China. It is outrageous that the Chinese Communist Party is using its economic power to suppress the free speech of Americans inside of the United States. We are aware that the NBA has a lucrative, makes a lot of money, and long-standing relationship with China. Because of this, the NBA should have figured out by now that the Chinese government uses its money and power to quiet or put down opinions that it does not agree with. The NBA should know how bad China's government is to the people and opponents, and the NBA should have prepared to defend its employees against China's oppression of free speech. NBA players have a rich history of speaking out on sensitive topics of social justice and human rights inside the United States, and the NBA takes pride in defending their right to do so. It's easy to defend freedom of speech when it costs you nothing, but backing down only when it's going to cost you a lot of money is shallow and betrays American values. Hundreds of millions of people in China will read or hear about the NBA's statements on the issue. This was a chance to strengthen Hong Kong's will to gain free speech, but instead, you backed away, which makes it seem like the controlling lies of the Chinese government are correct. By backing down to Chinese government so you can make money, you are setting an example for other American companies who do business with China. By saying no to doing business with China moving forward, you could help take a stand against the Chinese government and the way they treat their citizens. If you continue to do business with them, you are supporting them in how they treat their citizens. So, answer the questions below based on the document you just read. This document mainly believes the NBA should or should not do business with China. One piece of evidence that supports this, find a sentence directly from the document, like quote it, and make sure that you put quotation marks around it.